comes, the Extreme Dinosaurs of the World kit. Make and paint life-size plaster models of a Spinosaurus nest with eggs and crime scene footprints. Build a beautiful diorama to display a realistic scene. Assemble an awesome 3D wooden puzzle of a Velociraptor. The full-colour instruction book and huge poster are full of amazing photos and facts about the biggest, the weirdest, the scariest, the strangest, and the most dangerous dinosaurs on the planet. If you're wild about dinosaurs, you'll love Extreme Dinosaurs of the World.
And remember, there's only one wild science.